Show you how I make a pocket hole without a pocket hole jig. For these small projects, I just can't justify the price of the jig, so I'm just going to use a drill bit. This happens to be a 5/16. It's about the diameter of the head of the screw that I'm going to use, and that's all you're really doing is making a recessed portion for the head of the screw. I don't use any science, I just guesstimate about where it needs to be. Those are 2-inch long screws. Start your hole straight down, maybe about 1/4 of an inch, so that the drill bit won't slide when you turn it, and then I'm going to put the pocket in it by tilting the drill. And I'm only drilling in there maybe 1/4 of an inch, maybe 3/8 of an inch. And then that gives you a pocket to insert your screw, and as it goes into that next board it won't split through the side, and it also will recess the head into that pocket. So I'm going to use a little bit of glue on each one of these joints as I put this door frame together. This is a door frame for my shed, for my DIY shed. I'll leave a link to that video or that playlist in the description if you're interested. So I'll just drop a little bit of glue on the end of this board and then put the screw in. There you go. You could do 2 if you need to. I'm going to put one on one side and one on the other on this particular project. That's how you make a pocket hole without a pocket hole jig.